saw this taxi, yeah? And it had a Subway advertised on it.
Kill yourself. Go to get therapy.
Huh?
I hear you need some therapy.
Yeah?
It's free.
What's in there?
Would you like a drink? You know?
So, why is your office in a fucking college?
I'm a therapist. Don't question my methods. What is it?
What's what?
What's wrong with you?
Okay, well, I just need some therapy basically.
I'm a busy man, right?
You don't fucking look like it, you're beans in a fucking cup. Oh!
Now, what would you like to discuss?
So, mate, this joke, right? It really upset me because he said I needed to just kill myself and get some therapy because it was so bad.
First things first, what was the joke?
Wait, why is there a fucking cameraman in?
Don't question.
Don't look at the camera, mate.
Yeah, that's just Jimmy. You right, Jimmy? This is getting you in some trouble.
This taxi, and there's Subway advertised in it. And I thought it was funny because Subway is also a train station in America, so like a taxi's carrying the Subway everywhere.